Hello guys, and welcome to another video of Web3 application. So today I'm gonna introduce you to WeCoin. I think this one is more trustable than others because I searched about it. I found a lot of things about it, so I'm gonna show you how this Web3 works and why I'm saying it's more trustable. So WeCoin is based on Tone, Solana, or Ethereum, so you can choose your currency to get your reward. So this is the Twitter of WeCoin, so you can see over here it's been followed by, it does have 2 million of followers, but it's been followed by Trust Wallet and YesCoin. So it's actually powerful project here, and 2 million followers. That's a lot on Twitter for a clickable Web3 project. And you can choose your blockchain. It can be Tone, Solana, or Ethereum, but only one time you can select your blockchain. So I played this game, Web3 actually game, about I think 10 months or more. So I want to show you how this works and why I'm saying it's more trustable than others. So you see here the votes are Tone, and there are actually doing some content and a lot of tweets here. They are paying a lot of money here, and it's not depends on any YouTube channel or any unverified exchange or something that is not verified. So this coin, it's been verified by YesCoin and Trust Wallet. So let me show you how this actually works. So you can click on play. You're gonna have this Trust Wallet here. This is new, actually. It's been, I think, a week or some more, so it takes a little time to load. So it's just tapping system. It's not something very special about this. It's just tapping. I got 13 millions of coins here, and every day you have boost here. You can charge your battery. You can put the dice. If when you put the dice, it's like something that you multiple your taps and full battery of this one. So let's get back here. So we can just click it here, and there are tasks here. So I completed all of them, and I connected my WeCoin to Trust Wallet. Actually, I select my blockchain on Tone. Let me see here. You can just select your blockchain one time, not more. I select Tone because it's new, it's protected by Telegram, and it's kind of better than others, like more than Ethereum and Solana. So I selected Tone, but this one, it's not going to be connected to Tone Keeper. You can connect to another wallet, but it's better to be connected to Trust Wallet. So when you get back here, you got wallet up here. Let me show it with my mouse. You got wallet up here. You can connect your wallet to your actually Web3 game to your Trust Wallet, and you can connect it to Tone because Trust Wallet support the Tone system. So I connected my wallet. There's no announcement this coin when this coin is gonna be listed, but I think it's more trustable than others, and I didn't pay anything actually for this one, not even for connecting wallet. I didn't do anything. I didn't pay anything for charging or something else, and it's gonna be connected to your Trust wallet. And if you don't have Trust wallet, you can choose other wallets and it's gonna be supported. So you have a staking here. You can stake your coins, and the boost here, you can choose whatever you want. Even you can choose your skin. It can be Tone, Ethereum, Solana, Trust wallet, Bitcoin Reto, or Bitcoin, a lot of things. You can buy it, but some of them are free. And I mean by buy it by coin that you have. It doesn't need to charge anything. So there are tasks here. After you connect your Trust wallet, you will have some tasks. So I completed actually all of them. Play YesCoin, play Katizen, and Solix.ai game, and a lot of things. Join our Twitter, Telegram community, and invite people. I did all of them, and it was nothing to pay here until now, but we can get reward by, if you have premium Telegram here, if you visit every day, you're gonna have you will have the WeCoin and tapping, staking, and after you connect to Trust wallet, you need to charge anything for connections. So this one, I think it's more trustable than others. And when you click on the states, I mean the status, 2.61 trillion, I think, if I say it correctly, total taps, more than 16 millions of mates and daily mates that are amazing, 4 millions, and online one on about 149,000. So it's great. I think the charger is working so good, so I updated my charger, and I don't know the time of release this token, but maybe it's gonna be some kind of not coin. It's gonna remove some numbers. I mean, remove 3 numbers and get you the reward. But this one, it's, I think, more trustable because it's been followed by Trust wallet, one of the biggest, and the Twitter. It's actually great and everything is correct, but this one actually doesn't have the verification on Telegram, so I don't think this is important on this one, because this one is more actually safer than others, and I didn't pay anything until now, and it was amazing. The charger is tapping full. You can tap a lot of times, and it doesn't charge you any money. You don't need to pay gas fee, anything until now. But maybe you will be charged for actually after releasing this coin. But I actually selected the Tone as my blockchain, and I connected to Trust wallet. So let me just check Trust wallet here. Sorry, this one not showing here. Don't need to update now. Okay. This is empty wallet. I created this empty wallet for, oh, sorry, this one is empty wallet, and oh, it's freezed. Fingerprint, and okay. So in Trust Wallet you have tone actually, but I think you don't need to charge it for your transaction. So just let me check here. Because I connected with other phone, but you have the tone. Oh, it's here. You have a tone wallet here. I connected my tone here. You can send, you can receive, you can buy, and maybe swap in few days, but it's, I think, a great one. Between this, all of these tokens that I saw, this one is actually more powerful and more secure than other ones. So let's get back to Bitcoin here, and you can get reward by inviting people and upgrade your level. You can do the task and get reward, and the active one. So I don't have premium Telegram now, so I don't use it. And I think this project is more trustable than others. So I'll put the link on the description, the Twitter link and the Telegram link on the description, so you can check it. It doesn't need to purchase any money or gas fee on this one, and I think this one is more trustable. None of these Web3s are trustable because actually, after not going, a lot of Web3s have been created, and many exchange system doesn't even support them, and they should use like Hamster Combat or the let me just show you something here, like TapSwap. They're using the YouTube and other ways to, oh, new task of TapSwap. So they're using YouTube, and they have a lot of subscribers, millions of subscribers, so they earn money, they can pay you a reward. So this is why I think TapSwap changed the release time. But I'll put this Bitcoin link on description. I think this one is more secure. I didn't purchase any money or any coin, any gas fee. This one is more secure until now, but I don't promise to be actually money after working with this robot or any of this Web3 games, but this one is more secure, I think. So I'll put the details in description, the Twitter links, the Web3 of game in Telegram, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'm trying to search about this Web3 games. As I said, I'm gonna create a new Web3 based on one of the systems, not gonna be on blockchain. I'm not gonna create it on blockchain, but in every video I create, I ask your comments. So what do you prefer to create? So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will appreciate your comments. I will appreciate to answer your comments and see your engagement with my channel. Thank you so much. And just one thing I forgot to say about the Bitcoin here. Oh, okay, it's up. This clans, it's not started yet. I don't know what is that, and I don't know what it's gonna do. This one is not active now, but maybe like Lumber said, they're gonna create some community for their system. So I just wanna wanted to say this one. Thank you so much for watching with this video. Again, I say don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And I appreciate the comments. Thank you so much.